All right, today we're learning about a couple more graphs. We are learning about the cubic parent function today. So that is y equals x cubed. And our main points for the cubic parent function are the x values, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So take each of these one at a time and plug them in for x and get your y value. If I plug in -2 for x, -2 cubed is -2 times -2 times -2, which is -8. -1 cubed is -1, 0 cubed is 0, 1 cubed is 1, and 2 cubed is 8. So plotting these points, I get -2, 8, -8, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what your cubic parent function graph looks like. Okay, pretty obvious that the domain is going to be all real numbers because it's going to go all the way left, all the way right. And your range is also very obviously going to be all real numbers because it definitely goes all the way down, all the way up. All right, looking at some transformations of this graph, if I gave you quantity x plus 1 cubed minus 5, remember that the plus 1 here on the inside means it moves left 1, and the minus 5 on the outside means it moves down 5. So you're going to pick up your origin, move it left 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, draw your new origin, and from here you're going to plot your original x and y values. So from here, -1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From your original origin, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just took the original points for cubic parent function and plotted them from my new origin. So that shifted my graph left 1, down 5. Okay, on this one here I have y equals -1/2 quantity x minus 3, that should say cubed. Okay, so on this one my graph shifts right 3. That minus in front makes it reflect over the x, and the 1/2 makes it vertically shrink by a half. So on this, the only thing that affects my origin is the right 3. So I'm going to take my origin, pick it up, move it 1, 2, 3 to the right, plot it there. Now, my original x and y values were -2, -8, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 8. But because that -1/2 out in front, I need to multiply all of my y values by -1/2. So that would make this 4, that would make this 1/2, this would still be 0, this would be -1/2, and this would be -4. So I X these out just because I don't want to confuse myself. I'm not plotting those anymore, I'm plotting these. So from my new origin, I have -2 up 1, 2, 3, 4, -1 up a half, 0, 0, right 1, down a half, right 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is my graph that has been reflected. It has been shifted, and it has been shrunk vertically. Okay? Next, I have a new graph for you. It is called the cube root parent function, and that is y equals cube root of x, where my original x values are -8, -1, 0, 1, and 8. So if I plug each of these in for x, the cube root of -8 is -2, cube root of -1 is -1, cube root of 0 is 0, cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, and you should know that cubic and cube root are inverses of each other. We saw that when we solved. Okay, they cancel each other out. So on this one, we've got -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -2, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So it looks like the cubic parent function, but kind of sideways. Okay. So on this one, a couple of transformations for you. If I give you y equals cube root x minus 6 and then minus 8, that minus 6 moves right 6, and the minus 8 moves it down 8. So this would be right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, plot your original x and y values for cube root. So that would be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -2, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So there's my cube root parent function shifted right 6, down 8. Okay. Now similarly, if you have something like y equals negative cube root of x and then plus 5, that plus 5 shifts it up 5. That negative in front, no, it's hard to see, but the negative in front makes it reflect. So you're going to take your original x and y values, -8, -1, 0, 1, and 8, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. You're going to multiply your y values by -1, okay, because that negative out in front. So that means this would be 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. And don't forget to shift your origin up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I'm going to cross these out because I'm no longer worried about those. -8, +2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, +2. -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -2. And there is my cube root parent function that has been shifted up 5 and reflected over the x.